رشاد.
So we have B and
سي.
C. Rhetorical synthesis. Credits to KhanAcademy for the material. B and C. Rhetorical synthesis. 99% يا جماعة of the rhetorical synthesis questions, you will not need to go to the notes. 99%, the prompt or the stem of the question will be enough for you. And I will give you an example of that. Okay, يلا حسام. I want you to differentiate between B and C. And how can you mainly depend mainly on just the prompt? Analyze the stem, Husam, please. The student.
Student wants to introduce the scientist and her field of study to a new audience.
حلو جدا. We have 3 clues here. What are those 3 clues that all must be mentioned or elaborated in the choice? Number 1,
Scientist,
scientist,
the
field of study, studied
and
what?
to a new audience.
And the audience, but the audience are what?
New and unfamiliar.
Very good. New audience means you need to explain
All of them.
the scientist or the field of study.
Both.
Look, Hussein, the scientist and her field, introduce, yes, both. The scientist and the field of study. So you need to explain, not explain, I can say define both the scientist and the study. We have B and we have C. Okay. Go read C, Ahsam, and tell me what's wrong here.
Providing almost 25% of all marine species, including up to 8,000 species of fish. Coral reefs are vital underwater ecosystems and thus of great interest to marine biologists. This is not talking about the scientist or the field of study. This is just talking about the reefs and the fish.
Okay. طيب لا, coral reefs can be the field of study. Okay, but did we explain the coral reefs?
No.
Maybe they are vital. Maybe that's a definition. Maybe this is, yes, this is a definition of coral reefs. So they introduced coral reefs, but where is the scientist? The scientist is missing here. Where is the scientist in choice C? Okay, go to B. Look.
Marine biologist Camille Jasmine studies coral reefs.
Okay, this is the what?
Scientist.
How did I define him? By mentioning?
The marine biologist, his field of study.
Yes, this is his title. Okay. Studies what?
Coral reefs. Coral reefs.
Yes, that's the scientist. I introduced the scientist. Number 2, the field of what?
Coral reefs.
Field of study. Studied what?
Coral reefs.
Okay, how did they elaborate the field of study to new audience who are not aware of coral reefs? By adding a non-essential non-essential emphasis or non-essential phrase هنا لما قال لي ايه what are the coral reefs vital underwater ecosystems that كذا 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 كذا. So this is a definition of coral reefs to audience who are unfamiliar with that field of study. And when I say marine biologist, that's the scientist, and I introduce that scientist to people who do not know that scientist by mentioning his name and mentioning his specialty. Marine biologist.
تشتغل كفيلد اوف ستادي على طول صح؟
نعم؟
marine biologist ينفع تشتغل كفيلد اوف ستادي على طول صح؟
Maybe. But if I say marine biologist Camellia blah 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 studied coral reefs and stopped, would it be right? No, because if I stop here, it will seem that the audience are familiar with the coral reefs. But he said new audience. New audience means they are unfamiliar with the coral reefs. So if I want to do so, to introduce the coral reefs to new audience, I need to add a phrase here, a non-essential phrase or non-essential clause to introduce and explain what coral reefs are. Is it clear?
Yes, mister.
Okay. Noor, is the mic working? يلا يا جماعة, your answers to the second question.
Yes.
Okay.
A.
A. Oh,
Yes.
this one. Okay. Just a sec. We have A. Do we have other answers?
No.
All A, right? Okay.
Yes.
I want you to analyze the prompt at the very beginning before moving. The student wants to
Emphasize a similarity between the last Gill paintings and the Daganabbi Gallery paintings.
Okay. So what are the key words here? So the choice you will pick should include what?
Similarities.
It's a similarity. This is number one. And how many paintings should be included?
2.
2. This is 1. And this is 2. Okay. But I need a similarity between 2 paintings. Okay. Okay, what's wrong with D? In Somaliland, the paintings,
he only talked about the last Gill paintings.
Only one. Do we have similarity?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. C, is it the same? Are both mentioned?
No.
Just A.
1.
Okay. What's wrong with B? Both are mentioned here. The paintings at مش عارف E and those at blah blah. So both are mentioned.
مفيش similarity.
ده هنا في A.
Difference.
Very good. Both are mentioned, but while shows a difference, and I need a similarity. What's the clue that there is a similarity in choice A?
Are both examples
Very
of
good.
ancient rock found in Somaliland.
Very good. Both are examples. That's the similarity. Thank you so much.